We got ourselves Dunkin' Donuts, a dozen right here. I feel like having milk with my donuts. I just have a random assorted dozen here. I ordered these online, so I didn't really have a choice of what I was getting. I'm just gonna start with this one. This one looks like it might be a glazed donut or something. Yeah, that's probably a glazed donut. Oh. 7.8 out of 10. This one looks to be and feel very dense with a nice chocolate covering. Has cream in the middle. This is very good. Oh. 9.3 out of 10. Not sure what I'm looking at here. Let's just take a bite. Ooh. This is a pumpkin donut. .0 out of 10. We got some people looking at us again like we're weirdos. No worries, I'm used to it. Some kind of sprinkle covering here. Kind of tastes like birthday cake. Very good. 8.5 out of 10. I'm a little concerned with the looks of this one. Let's dunk it and try it. I don't know what this is. It tastes like nothing. That donut had no taste. 4.0 out of 10. This looks to be some kind of powdered sugar donut here. Ooh, and it's cream filled. A very vanilla-y donut, if that's even a word. 7.5 out of 10. This one was kind of eyeing me up the whole time. Chocolate covering and sprinkles, and that is just what I like to see. I like that. .7 out of 10. We got something. It's dense. I think it's going to be cream filled. It has like a jelly filling in it. This one deserves milk for sure. .2 out of 10. We got something that looks real interesting. Let me see what it is. This has to be an apple cinnamon donut. I'm not obsessed with apple cinnamon, but if you are, you might like that. 7.4 out of 10. We got a pink cream, definitely a topping I'm not familiar with. What did I just taste? That's not very good. The pink frosting kind of has like a fruity flavor, but it feels artificial. Of course, these are donuts. What should I expect? 4.1 out of 10. Next, we got another donut that looks a little odd. This is a blueberry muffin donut. I know that right off the bat. I love blueberry muffins, so this is fire for me. I love me blueberry muffin. 8.9 out of 10. This might be the same donut that I had earlier, the sugar powdered one, but I'll give it a bite and see. Uh-oh. Oh dear, it's lemon filled. Oh, what an unhappy ending. It needs milk. Oh, I don't like that. Lemon sucks. Oh, I hate lemon. I don't want to see people in the comments saying, oh, you're... Okay, so unfortunately my phone overheated there at the end, so that sucks and is super annoying. I did finish off all of the donuts. I don't care if you believe me or not, they're gone. I ate them. That last donut did suck, however. It's getting a 2.7 out of 10 rating. And yeah, overall the assorted donuts at Dunkin' are pretty good. I can't complain. It's just that lemon-filled one sucked to finish. So awful.